Hello everyone, I'm coming back. This is my website lookudn.com. Today I will introduce the Air Jordan 12 to you. Wow, I'm so tired to make so many videos for you. Okay, I talk about the Jordan 12 retro for you. Okay, you can see the Air Jordan logo on box. Okay, with the label. You can see the size 9.5. Okay, you can see the Air Jordan 12 retro. It is a white, black taxi with the red and also Jordan logo on it. Okay. Okay, open the box, take out the shoes. Wow, the shoes is so cool. Okay, this is the taxi. Why is the taxi? Because you can see the bottom, it is yellow color, so it is named the taxi. Okay, look around the shoes. Oh, so it is a yellow Jordan logo on it. Okay, black and white color. Okay. Okay, so cool, so nice. Okay. Okay. Talk about the leathers. Okay. The leathers is snake skin with black color, and the look is Japanese flag with black color, and you can see the classic design, the Japan on it. And shoelace buckle, it is golden color. You can see the Air Jordan on it. It is a plastic material too. Okay, with another side, the black look is the Japanese flag, and the black color with snake skin, and the material is black color. Okay, the shoelace is white color. It is a cylindrical. Okay, with the shoe tag. You can see the Air Jordan logo with the blue, black color, and you can see the 3 letters on it. Okay, the shoelace, the bottom. Okay, you can see the yellow. The bottom is carbon fiber plate. You can see the black and yellow color. Okay, so it is named the taxi. Okay, the bottom. Okay, you can see the yellow with 23. Okay, with the Jordan logo with the red color. Okay, remember to the show here is 23 numbers with red color, and the Jordan letters, and the quality inspired by the greatest player ever, and the Jordan logo with red color on tailwind, and the square is yellow color. Okay, the insole. Okay, you can see the insole with the insole. Okay, it is hard to see that. Okay, wait please, I will show you. Okay, it is the yellow color. Can you see that? And the shoelace is black color. Okay, if you have any questions, you can go to my website to ask me, and I will show you more pictures. Okay, see you next video. Bye.